On the Bitcoin 1-day chart, I told you to buy Bitcoin immediately after this breakout on Saturday, and look at it, market move, and right now market is moving aggressively upward. And like I told you, I am still expecting this market to still move into the $45,000. okay, so this market should move into the $45,000, and I told you that after this breakout, because if you look at this area, this was a resistance market breakout, so it was a very strong level that market breakout from, and after that breakout market is moving. Market is still going to continue upward. If you watch this very video where I said don't miss this breakout, trade this breakout now, and if you took this position, you should be in massive profits right now. And like I said, I am still expecting this market to do more into $45,000. that is this very area right here of $45,000. okay, this is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this parabolic movement, market retrace, move, consolidate, and we have been seeing consolidation breakout, and this market is still going to continue upward. okay, so expect this market to come into this very zone of $42,500. okay, so 42k at this very point is a nice level to watch for the next retracement or consolidation of this market. So we should see movement into this very area of $42,000. so between $42,500 and $42,000, we should see the market retrace back down before the next move to the upside, or the same point market can just consolidate a little bit around this area and also begin to move to the upside. But on the immediate short term, still expect this market to move upward. okay, and if you did not take this position after this breakout right here at this very level of 39,900, this is not the right time to enter, because market will move a little bit and then retrace or consolidate before the next move to the upside. There are other pairs that is very, very cool for you to buy right now other than BTC on the immediate short term. And if you look at ETH just break out and then is moving upward. I am still expecting this market to still continue this movement into this very area of $2,300. okay, so market should continue this movement into $2,300. Within this level of $2,300, we should see retracement or consolidation. So if you take this trade from here after this breakout, or around this very area after this very breakout, then you should be in massive profit. So this market is still going to move upward. That is what I am expecting right now on Ethereum, into this $2,300. And on ADA, we've seen ADA retrace because of this level of resistance. So retracement continuation is still going to continue as well into this area of 0.42. okay, market is at 0.40 right now after retracement continuation into this 0.42 right here. So still expect the market to move upward from this area. Market should continue into this 0.42 before retracement and then continuation again, or market move into this 0.42 and then begin to consolidate within this very area before continuation to the upside. These are what I am expecting, and these are also things you need to pay attention to on the chart. And on Matic, if you look at Matic moved down like predicted and is going to move to the upside. I told you that the level you should be paying attention to is this very area. Very, very important level on the chart is this very point of resistance. Market is still going to move up. I told you, even though you see a retracement, that means market move up and then retrace, is still going to continue to the upside. And that is what you must have to pay attention to right now on Matic. Market is still going to move into this very area of resistance. Expect the market to continue this movement into this area, and when the market enter this zone, we want to see reaction to the downside and a breakout of this very level of resistance right here will mean that the market is going to continue its movement to the upside, and I'll be updating you as well on what to do after this breakout, because we have another important resistance at this very point on Matic. This is what you must have to watch and pay close attention to on this various chart. And lastly, on TRX, if you look at TRX, have not been moving all this while, and this is very important. This market is going to move, so all you need to do on TRX right now is to watch closely this very point that I'm showing you right now of resistance. Once this candle right here that is forming close above every other close around this very resistance, so once the candle close, expect this market to move up, and the target you should be expecting this market to move into is this very level of resistance, because that was where the market retraced from in the past. So expect the market to move straight to the upside after this breakout that we are seeing right now. So once the markets break out, it will be a nice time to long the market or buy on spot for market to move to the upside, because this market is going to move aggressively upward. And the reason is because all this while coins have been moving to the upside, TRX have not been moving. So this will be a nice buy opportunity for you for market to move to the upside if you have not taken any position on Bitcoin and on ETH right here and on ADA and Matic. Market is going to pump on TRX because market have been consolidating at this very level of resistance for a very long time, and market is going to move upward. So take this position if you are watching this video right now. And if you look at this very area on Matic, market is going to go up, okay? And on ADA, like I said, market is going to move into this very zone of 0.42, and on ETH, market should move into $2,300 at this very point, and on this very price level on Bitcoin 4-hour chart, market should come into 42,500. And lastly, on the 1-day chart, I expect the market to move into $45,000. These are the things that I am watching on this various chart right now. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like for this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, so you'll be the first to get notified when I upload new video. Also check the channel for other crypto videos. And if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade course, check the description of this video, say contact, and reach out to me for enrollment right now. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.